Your TikToks are stuck under review? Don't panic. Here's what to do fast. First of all, don't delete it. TikTok review system can take anywhere from few minutes to few days. Yeah, annoying. Step 2, check your content. Is there copyrighted music, violence, or anything remotely sus? If yes, that might be it. Next, hit report a problem in your settings. Click your three bars at the top right, go ahead to the settings and privacy, scroll a little bit down to report a problem, right? And go ahead and select what is your problem. Maybe your account, right? Or the fact that your account is under review, excuse me. So you're gonna go ahead and select the option of, yeah, well, let me report right here, report an account. No. Right, I'm gonna stick to account and profile. And I'm gonna go ahead to the profile page, right? Hit other, hit no, and need more help. I'm gonna be inside the TikTok support, right? And politely ask TikTok to review your video manually. Then wait it out. Most videos get approved in 24 to 72 hours. If not, try reposting with tweaks, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more TikTok tips, and let's outsmart the algorithm together. See you in the next one.